So we'll get this started. I just put a little bit of glue, not much, but just a little. I just do a little dab in the middle of it. And what makes it easier is the line that's on your eye that you put it on top of. So if you're new, I advise you to make sure you draw that line on your eye. So if you don't know how to do the eyeliner, please watch this video or watch the one before. Watch my last tutorial. It's on eyeliner. So there we go. Alright, so we're gonna keep this tutorial going. And just get to applying it in the areas that I would like it at. Just apply it wherever you need it. I'm applying mine where I need it, but you mostly will apply it here. And then I'm gonna clean up this line over here, so I draw one right there. Right there.
Of course these hoes gon' drop, even though I don't be choosing, that's facts. She peed that I was real from high, flat. Nah, I ain't gon' never let up, big facts. All a nigga know is turn up. Of course these hoes gon' drop, even though I don't be choosing, that's facts. She peed that I was real from high, flat. Nah, I ain't gon' never let up, big facts. All a nigga know is turn up.
Yeah, straight from the bottom, motherfuckers, now we on top. Better bitches mad cause they niggas stay all on my job. Gotta hit that blazer.
Don't worry about it being so light.
Your dreams. Back to reality. We in this bitch like unity. Like quality by scooter B. That's new to you, it's old to me. I said your man, throw him back, tell him get over me. These niggas ain't shit, and they damn sure ain't no trophy.
These niggas be on me like bumblebees on honey. But I gotta shake them off and get back to this money. I don't talk no small talk, all I talk is big talk. Hell yeah, I walk the walk, leave ass outline the chalk. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me, I'm the baddest bitch you ever seen. No fake ass, no fake goals. I don't trust none of you stay cold. Bitches get your shit together, I make money any weather. Rent this check up, ho, get money straight cash flow.
These hoes gon' drop, even though I don't be that's facts. She peed that I was real from high, flat. Nah, I ain't gon' never let up, big facts. All a nigga know is turn up. Of course these hoes gon' drop, even though I don't that's facts. She peed that I was real.
So yeah, it's looking a lot better than before. Let's go around my lip with the brown liner just to get my life going. It's a loose finishing powder. It kind of, basically if you have like a lot of moisture in your skin, oily skin. It helps out a lot with that. So mine's a medium deep, number 30.
Of course these hoes gon' drop, even though I don't be choosing, that's facts. She peed that I was real from high, flat. Nah, I ain't gon' never let up, big facts. All a nigga know is turn up. Of course these hoes gon' drop, even though I don't be choosing, that's facts.
I'm gonna go in and we're gonna start our highlights. Ooh, my favorite part of the freaking day. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush for my highlight, and I have another brush. It's very, very small. This it's small, but it's my baby. I mean, it's just like one of the big ones, just like this. Just like this. Okay, not like this, but you know, the flat one. See? Okay.
I ain't shit, and they damn sure ain't no trophy.
Yeah, these niggas be on me like bumblebees on honey. But I gotta shake them off and get back to this money. I don't talk no small talk, all I talk is big talk. Hell yeah, I walk the walk, lead ass outline the chalk. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me, I'm the baddest bitch you ever seen. No fake ass, no fake goals. I don't trust none of you stay cold. Bitches get your shit together, I make money any weather. Run this check up, ho, get money straight cash flow.
Of course these hoes gon' drop, even though I don't be choosing, that's facts. She peed that I was real from high, flat. Nah, I ain't gon' never let up, big facts. All a nigga know is turn up. Of course these hoes gon' drop, even though I don't be choosing, that's facts. She peed that I was real from high, flat. Nah, I ain't gon' never let up, big facts. All a nigga know is turn up. Back then, hand me down. Mama did what she could, cause it was a lot of us.
And y'all already know the last thing that we do is set it, so we won't have no problems, and it can be like long lasting. This is a matte set because most of the products that I use is matte, so it's a matte hard candy.
Sticks in the jungle, that's why I'm
We achieved our look. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. Make sure y'all click that bell so when I get starting, you know, putting more videos on here, you can be notified. So in the meantime, your girl is still here. Make sure you remember it's not their way, not his way, not her way, but BARBIELAVE'S way. Okay. Y'all have a good day. Bye, dolls.
Of course these hoes gon' drop, even though I don't be choosing, that's facts. She peed that I was real from high, flat. Nah, I ain't gon' never let up, big